The best parts of my day.
I know, but
when I went exhibital with like singing and shit, you didn't record that, but you want to record me opening packs?
No, well, I'm gonna record that match too.
Oh yeah, YouTube's gonna love that one. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, ready guys?
Yeah, we're ready.
I don't think I've ever opened packs on video before. Oh, it's all.
I know. Oh yeah, once. You did once with Pop Joker.
Oh yeah. Straight up Adam from trivia. Oh man, it's not a secret though. Oh, that's just some trash. Wow.
Oh, I wouldn't mind using it.
Oh, okay. So now you're just gonna record me and take my card. Like, oh, Adam got this. Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna take it.
You're trying to bring your train, you never bring it. Yeah, fuck you.
Garbage. I had to say
it didn't really work. It wasn't that cool. Sorry, YouTube.
Sorry, man. What are you gonna eat after?
And that's it, huh? That's it?
Yeah.
3 packs?
Oh, it was this little thing.
Oh, that's garbage.
Yeah.
Fuck it. I'm gonna go back to the final. You don't mind if I record? Do you want?
Yeah.
We got a final match at locals. Triple Crown.
Yeah. For some reason, Adam Horton's not on the video though. I was just opening packs, as you can see.
It's together. Opening packs and then the match.
Yeah. Well, at least I'm in the finals, you know.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm in the finals in spirit.
He lost in the top 4.
It's okay.
Shit happens.
Are we ready to go?
Yeah, I guess so. I don't know.
What else are you gonna be here for?
Dip. You just take a bite. Who came with you? Who's with you? Now you want to record? No. Alright, well, it was good.
You made your money back? Nah, not really.
No, I definitely didn't make my money back.
Nah.
No chance.
Nah.
I sold cards though, so.
Yeah.
A Roach and an Ultimate Warning and a Max.
Yeah? Damn.
Like $100.
Yeah.
Way more than I.
Oh, that's when she said, there goes your pay bill, phone bills.
Oh yeah, I know. I gotta pay my cell phone bill tomorrow. That's just randomly $150. Shit's expensive as hell. Because I have that mobile internet shit, you can just press this hotspot and then you have internet anywhere.
Over there, boy.
Alright, well, you guys wanna go? What are you about to do after this? Home?
Eddie, what are we doing after this?
TCS?
Oh, hell to the no. That sounds so depressing. That sounds like I'm gonna go crawl a hole if I go to TCS after this. I can't do it, man.
That's why every time I go there, I go there like around 12. I come home like at 7 in the morning.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Yeah. Yeah, we did the last time.
Daytime.
Yeah.
Fuck this, dude.
I was having too much fun. We're just gonna quiet. There's like 1 second of quiet. Like, that's it though. Nah, I'm probably like loudest thing in here.
Singapore, I'm
Nah, we're Digo. Alright, well. So what's up, Eddie? When's your session?
So what do you think of that guy? He's good?
yeah.
You know what he's gonna say? He's gonna say spell.
Yeah.
He's gonna say
He had Christian. No, my deck, this deck has a better one, yeah. Christian That's it.
Okay, I did medical manager. That was the worst day. So my draft trigger right now, but it's fine. Yeah, it's still, yeah. You could
I got 4 bucks. Yeah, I got it. I assume you're gonna buy a lot of it. All my cards are off the week. Like, I'm working this all my cards are off the week. It's insane.
Let's go have a feast.
Hey, you know he didn't have to finish paying me?
Huh? That's why I didn't pay those.
I still,
Man, they're fat. Oh damn, that's on video.
You better edit that.
He's gonna hate me, man. Yeah, I'm fucking up right now.
You and your team.
I don't know, is it? No?
Okay, Joaquin, we'll talk dinner. Get that done. Alright, guys.
Alright, I guess I'm gonna go.
You're gonna go home?
I'm not gonna go home.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna go eat?
Arnold! Water down. Nice to meet you. Anyways, what are we gonna? Oh, he's here, just going home.
Oh no, wherever he goes, I'm gonna be with him.
I told him if you guys want to do something after, I mean.
Talk to him.
I already talked to him.
What he said?
Joaquin, what are you doing? You just go where we're just gonna eat and then bounce? Huh? I'm staying out all night. I don't know. I don't got shit. I feel like right now. I wish I could see it far. No. What's on? I mean, like 7? But like. Oh, so I got. Shut up. Hey, Siobhan. Fuck yeah. You might as well go. I mean, I can't go. Can we party next to like 3 hours in the morning? Yeah. Oh, we're going to work. That's fine. Alright, we'll find out.
It's already done, man. Yeah, we're going to
Eddie, what are we doing after this?
Let's go on, Chris. Go.
Oh, you do this shit.
You guys should go to Siobhan's party.
No. This much in.
We'll all get drunk. Yeah. Alright, well, I just want to go. You guys want to go eat now?
I will go with you, but I will go like after this. I remember recording. Huh? Eddie wants to go home.
Alright, for sure. Alright, guys. Hey, if you guys change your mind and you want to do something, what?
You want to go to McDonald's? Yeah, they're gonna go eat. He was telling us.
I'll give you a free sash.
What do you got to do?
Oh, free sash! Free sash!
No, I mean, like, you'll have a credit. But that's fine, I'm too tired.
You probably would.
I'm not really tired. But we should do it.
There you go. I was down to go somewhere to get
Okay.
Or even start giving you like really good money.
cards in?
Even worse, like, yeah, like the 10K shield, but they have like good abilities. So it's like really good guard. Yeah, so he's basically 10 by himself.
Go ahead.
I don't know what I want to do here.
So you didn't face down the stretch?
Seriously.
Okay, no, not wait, did you face down? No, because that's damage. He's a 4 damage. But it doesn't work with that. We'll go ahead. That's the bad part of the video. It's only 1 game. It's only missing 5.
Yeah, I don't know.
Because like usually rise is something that should not happen.
We're gonna do 16 to.
Alright, we're going to Norm's down the street. If you guys want to come meet up with us and eat after this, come. Okay? Eddie, Norm's gonna get his ring filled. Norm. Okay, we're gonna go right now. So we'll meet you guys at the sleeper done?
Yeah, well, I'll convince him. Yeah,
Huh?
it's down the street, right?
No, thank you, man.
Shut the fuck up.
No, not Danny.
Hire 2 guys.
No, I just told them how much I hate Danny.
No, see how I talk to him.
He doesn't even have money. Can I save it?
Hey, wait, which North? I'll just call you.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, after this, I'll call you. Yeah.
What'd you pull for? Yeah, I'll see you guys there, knees, baby. What? Hey, shit. Hey, what'd you pull for basketball? Okay, stay. I'm going, man. Thanks for coming.
Always great to have you here.
Appreciate it. Appreciate the warm up.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, well, have a good one, guys. Have a good night.
You have a safe night.
Ryan, here you go.
Yeah, I'll call him.
My guardian too?
You're Brian. Hey man, open-minded. Talk to anybody. Open-minded, talk to anybody. Make friends with everybody. Oh.
I didn't make any friends today, man.
I don't make any friends.
Everyone I played was like, said the same thing he said.
Go on.
It's gonna be 24. There's no extra crits on it, right? Oh shit! 1, 2. No. This was my 5th at the time, so I won't be able to heal. Final. I don't have the hand. Maybe. But you have the hand.
Just still one?
You have a lot of cards in your hand. You probably go all this, but you're at 6 damage. What's up?
Yeah, I said it.
Wish you were already.
Okay.
You are, and you do technically have to.
Yeah, wait, stop it.
Wow, and I wouldn't be able to go on. That's the problem.
Back.
Honestly, I don't know if I'm the thing with this kind of stupid for me.
That's how I feel.
I know what you could have done is just take care of it. Those are 2 phones.
I lose my card.
No, 1 for 1. That's all 1 for 1.
So I'm gonna go put these 2
Stealth?
Again? Yep. Just, yeah, this pretty much will be final turn for me because if I don't get this, it's done.
He retires.
No, he counterblast 2 and into the sword.
What thing are you?
Go ahead.
You still can't use spells though, right?
Yeah, no.
Like that?
This seems like 20,000 all points.
Yeah, basically.
Without boosters. And you have the yellow, which I need them more of. Stick them right behind you.
Yeah.
Why is this kind of why is that
Yeah, that's what's happening.
Okay, she perfect card. So one.
Cards?
So this is gonna be power heal.
Such a good fucking opening.
2.
Wow.
Okay. So now
Nothing in the back.
it's gonna be.
Power spells and gloves. So.
Yeah, 21. What are you gonna do?
And Ligia cannot be.
Yeah, but
You can make it some.
what?
I only have 5 of them.
What?
How did that happen? Look at all this.
That's why Spike Brothers came in out of nowhere. And that's why Spike Brothers came out.
You came back?
Yeah, because all he had in his hand was like 5s.
Damn.
I drove Chuck a heal trigger, I gave the power to him, and then I'm hitting,
Yeah, that's normally you gave out twice, right?
There's like
yeah.
It's hard to come back, damn.
There's like
He was
7.
low in hand too for a while.
There's like
Because that mod makes it like go crazy.
I think what ended up happening was that I had to stave it off, so I put the cheer girl tiara on the temp boost, because I knew
And then when he does the one, just pop it off.
yeah, it's like whatever, man. It's like I had like another one in there, so I didn't know if it was gonna work. This was like,
That's why this thing is fun, because you can retire the whole field. You did that in Kagero.
pretty much. Kakuro, you do that just not even trying.
I killed it.
No, I went from 5 regards to 0.
Yeah.
I caught my whole entire
I
field.
can't handle
And I have
Kakuro,
like
man.
2 legacy players with like 25.
3 killed 30,000.
Oh, yeah.
Screw it, man. I can't do
But
that.
they weren't boosted, but they're getting power back.
Find the cell.
I'm not gonna bother trying to go.
Dude, he was at 5 damage already.
Yeah, once I see that,
I died.
and I'm 5, what am I gonna do to come back? I can't come back.
I was the only god everything, but I wouldn't come up and then I just died.
Yeah, you can
one, and like I put a guard 15. He got 2 grade 3s in his drive check.
Yeah, done. I mean,
He couldn't have gave any effect for the next one.
Trigger. He probably could have pushed the game.
And then the turn before he had 1 pass. So, and then he lived. I didn't hit anything. That was the crazy shit. No, I don't think, like no one's, that was the craziest thing anyone's ever done against me. Yeah. I'm not even, that was
no cockroach.
Let's glad that Vortex is chilling for a while.
Yeah.
And he had 10 in his soul.
Man, I beat him.
No, I didn't. I had 9.
No, you just a Kandala. How do I beat you? I got 2 Kandalas. I got a claw.
And chops for days.
You're gonna have to get compulsories. Just because, I mean, even though compulsory, really stop your heavy it's a waste of the material. Because when you return, you get a thing. What are you gonna do?
Oh, yeah.
Especially because he got first 5.
Yeah.
No, you go first and you got that up. Yeah, that's
basically, there's really nothing you can do against the live yet.
That's why I beat it out. Like, beat them before they go crazy.
Well,
but you also need that.
Yeah, that's hard.
Yeah.
That's the deck. Like, if this deck goes first, that was a rabbit, it's in a check position.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You got you by your balls.
Yeah, it's like.
That's why you need like a pet Bailey.
Yeah, it's cool.
Whalers is still good.
Maxis.
Yeah.
Maxis will like kind of.
Well, Baylor's I'm not room for anything.
What match is this? Card 6.
And then when you run into them, it's just, oh, hey, you know, just take out your weakest link. Goodbye. Oh, shit. Really?
It's like a super stalwart.
Hey, there's nothing else I can do.
Yeah. He has a huge tread, and he's stalling with Maestros and shots.
My coffee tomorrow.
I think this game is gonna last a long time.
Yeah! Double that.
This looks like this game's gonna last a long time by the field cuts
Bringing
and
like
shit.
espresso shot thing, because it comes in like.
So they're both just stalling.
It comes in like the little like
a chain, right?
coffee creamer
Yes, you can.
thing. There's limit 2 per day. It's like I'm gonna use my 2 per day.
Do we have a lance then?
It's so quiet to work through it, you know what happened, but you got through there. You did a great job, JP.
Production back here, 5,000%.
Attack?
Okay. Exactly.
How much is it?
That's great. Now I can ask you one thing. What is it?
And you're at, how much? 40 bucks?
Okay, that's not bad.
Wait, you want to use that?
Okay.
It's probably better.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Oh, you have it?
Too shabby, maybe.
You have it, right?
Yeah. Yes, you will.
It'll be a longer day.
Field.
And then I tap. What you got?
29 to your 45.
Yeah, I tap with him.
We will just scrape.
That's only for him.
Let's go.
Huh?
11.
When you just said.
Power.
Infantry.
So it's gonna be 13. And then that's too strong. Too strong. This guy.
How many tries is this gonna be?
Or attack for
Oh, yeah.
take a 100.
Wow.
Wow.
I have the response.
Okay.
Vanguard
Yes.
for 16.
No fucking god.
That's you have that.
Okay, last one.
Go ahead.
Cards in hand?
36.
How many? Okay.
26.
Starts 18, you can take.
It'll take 26.
I would take 26 because it's at 1,000.
I killed it with Air Force.
Alright.
So the only thing
I think I know the game we have to play.
That's the strongest thing I've
I hate with him like
do
multiple times, yeah. I technically direct with him too.
how do you know the fuck?
And you
It's
say
fucked up if they actually made it so that like Star Brothers got like
Okay.
some decent
How did I bring
support,
this
where it's like.
Dude, the deck is just done to me.
Silver down my coach.
What if they did? What if they like just decided to be like, oh yeah, when you've got like 2 or less cards in your hand, this booster gets an extra 5,000 for like no reason.
Oh, I
Like,
think
Well, like 10, one of those 10K. The thing is, though, with the other games, 21 anyway, so it doesn't really matter.
I know, but then you have that there, and you're already in the mindset yourself. So now that booster just goes from like, yeah, it's just boom, boom, boom. big numbers for like no reason.
Oh, because you made it.
Okay, I wanna. Okay, first we're talking about numbers, then we're talking about dicks. I don't know.
Why are you doing this?
I don't know.
Wonder Boy?
Second last.
This was the third Wonder Boy.
Ah,
And
damn.
then he hit it out of the park. So let's just see what we got here. We're gonna go.
That would have been an interesting deal. Didn't get the deal through Wonder Boy.
Okay, that would have been nice, but no guard there. No guard. Okay, and that's. Am I gonna get trade stuck again? That means
At least you have it,
I
right?
know. This is not like chancing for it.
That's fine. I'm sure I can do that.
No fucking guard. Okay.
What'd you damage check? Dude?
Sure. That would suck. Don't say that. I've been doing that all night. It's gonna die.
Please then.
Alright. Oh yeah. Alright.
No, he hit your guard.
Oh yeah. Nah, this is my draw. I wish this was actually damage checked because it would have been good right now.
13 in my soul. God, where is that fucking raging?
I swear to God, what the hell is freaking Dudley Emperor? Or any grade 3 for right now.
Juggernaut Maximum.
Juggernaut Maximum. I might even need to use Juggernaut Maximum. I'm just like,
That's
God.
happy, dude, right? I would have been, dude, that.
You know already, so this is just gonna be the Vanguard. So, yeah, no, I can't even hit. I should have
Side to side.
Is it a PT Cruiser? Yeah. Alright, hold on.
Oh my god. Wow.
Sure.
That's all great. That's it's over.
I'm done, dude.
Hey, Mr. Steve, can you tell my mom that? Wait.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I have 2 damage and I can't push. What is this?
Gotta walk out to the useless. No.
Bigger than most of my guys. Shit.
I shouldn't have. I should have just attacked
Okay.
and now wasting my launcher anymore.
That's the only thing I want you to do is
Like I said, dark irregular can have like some cash out most of those guys in there.
I'm telling you, dude, this is right now 15, 3 crits, dude, right
Yeah,
now.
that would have been.
But I fucking soul charged 2 of them, and then fucking the other one was. Now this guy would have been raging, but it's not.
I need another Asia.
Or the limit breaker.
Nah, the wage is better.
Dude, fucking gain 1,000. Dude, big dish.
Okay, perfect.
Alright.
Quit talking about them dicks, dude.
Big dick on my field.
That was on the bottom.
What is this shit?
That's what I like to think about.
Talking about.
Your mom's cool.
Alright.
I wish I could get one right now.
What's the defense is it? 21.
Like they're recording this, so like halfway through they're gonna have like some black dude talking about like big dicks on the field.
Big dicks.
Extra dicks.
Yes, very mature. Dude,
Damn, dude, look at this shit.
man, it's like half your decks in the freaking like soul.
Vanguard for 21.
What? Dude, like I got 2 damage. Why not?
4, 6, 8, 7, 12, 46, guard. What the
Where are my heal triggers at, dude?
Oh, hey, Dudley, thanks. Yeah, sure.
He said he got like a million.
Come on, if I get a Dudley run, I'd be happy. Not a Dudley.
That was game 1. Let's take a cruise at Triple Crown.
This is the stupidest.
Sup, B?
How does this happen 2 games in a row?
Watch. Not doing a freaking soul charge.
Hey, does he have a forbidden land? Oh, dude. Gotta show what's good.
Don't tell me what.
Hey, people, promoting the store, man.
He's okay.
I don't like this, dude.
I'm not gonna like
You got some Duel Masters, Magic. Oh no, what the hell? This is, what is this? I forgot this game. What is it?
Put that on YouTube or what? And then it's
Yeah.
15.
You're not gonna see it?
Make sure to give him a store credit.
I think we should see. I can send it.
I don't want to use you anyway.
Vanguard for 21.
For 21. You're forcing me to make that decision. Really? Perfect.
Big Poppy too.
Oh. Hey, Brian.
Hey, you got perfect.
Yeah.
22 plus.
Same bill as last time.
So,
Yeah.
26. Just better use them.
Oh, hey guys.
What did you say?
Just a better user.
Better player.
So, get this guy?
This guy. Those are like fucking.
Or 19. Football teams.
Well, then you can use it before, so you already know how to use it.
Yeah, when Dushy was at 1 and Earth was at 3. Her guy was at 3.
I thought he was going to lose Dragunity.
Couldn't do anything to the fucking starters in one turn?
You lose none of your picks. You lose none of them.
Yeah.
I might lose this one.
Huh?
I might lose this one.
So you went 4-0 on the Swiss.
Yeah.
Freaking. He knows how to use it.
Well, he used to play when he was when everything was at 3. At 3, you know, Earth, tour guy, which was like about a year ago. Yeah, exactly a year ago.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Two crucial atoms.
Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, I'm the one who told him to come over here. It was his first time. Yeah. He asked me, can I play? You know how he's banned? Told him no. Oh yeah, huh? Ah, shit.
He's the one that been at Frank's, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is at 18. This would have been.
Oh, hey, there you are.
This guy sucks though.
18.
I don't know how he got that first.
Me neither. I have no idea how he got that one. Give a shout out to Eddie for going next to
Rabbits, the top decks.
Who gets that 37? Who does that project?
Yeah, so it's like it comes out off something, and it attacks, and then it's got MLB, it goes back in, and MLB gets 10,000 power. And the last play is free and already
Like, they're gonna try to copying everything.
Oh yeah,
They are gonna
after a while, this is the problem. After a while,
They
like,
do. There's enough clans now. They can just.
because this is only the first print boxes of the new set. Well, there's still in print. There's still 5 first print boxes.
I know.
This is the latest set. But after the next set gets released, yeah, it's gonna be big. Yeah, after like in February.
Don't let it be like
When the actual Dynasty was last year.
support up the ass for like 17 years. And the next thing you know now.
Paladins the shit.
Yeah, exactly.
No, watch it.
No, at the time.
I don't bring the Royals though.
Yeah, it's just coming out in January.
What would you want to use?
What do you have?
Dark Richer, my brother, grandmother. Tailwind?
Where's the gold medal?
I want to use that one. Because the thing is, Gold Paladin, what else? Actually, I don't want to touch this Gold Paladin.
But come on.
Gold Paladin wouldn't be fair. Gold Paladin is not a fair deck.
He's that book.
Not really. You can play off the fact that you're not that tired.
There's one
What's wrong with his card?
Probably if you have.
Let me
If you
What is
do
it?
this shit like for 2 days straight.
Oh, yeah, it's kind of damaged.
This is another one of this. I sold one because the guy offered me like 20 bucks.
I'm like, hey, it starts early now. What the fuck is this?
Who's your starter?
Get out of the fucking store.
I need a fucking.
I think that's what you need, actually.
I think that is what you need.
What's this cupcake thing?
No SPCU?
Shout out to anyone next one.
Ding dong, ding dong.
That was pretty good.
You know you want ding dongs. You want to
Last play,
ramble.
misplay, but
You want to ramble on with it.
It's not a misplay, like, you're supposed to know you can't bring XYZ.
Oh, this guy.
What?
it's like.
You can misplay like, when you do the wrong thing. Like, when it's already like.
Second me?
Try to summon eggs like. Like, why? They're all bad.
Go ahead.
Shit, man.
That's right, dude. You should.
They don't matter what fucking asshole.
No, you should say.
Yeah, you're just giving already your deck.
I don't care. They'll know as soon as I flip it up.
I don't want to hands up.
No,
You don't do that bad stuff.
It is. So Rick James has been fucked by every single day.
Yeah, that shit was fun.
Hell yeah.
Charlie Murphy.
What the fuck?
He was just like,
Fuck your couch.
fuck, dude. Okay. I hate this guy now. This guy is like really ruining the picture.
Oh, I got one of the SPs.
What? That?
Even though he's not.
Don't bitch and complain, dude. I mean, it's not like you're gonna get fucking like grades stuck again like the last couple of years. Probably. Possibly. Maybe.
Most likely.
Perhaps. Perhaps I'm gonna miss a grade. Go back to elementary school with you.
I got no knowledge, bro. I'm still in kindergarten. How could you get a whole back from like preschool? What if you do some like?
I dropped travel.
Because.
You must be a reason.
I dropped
Because.
It's like,
I don't want to go.
No, put this one under your thumb.
Yeah, you always
Physical education. We'll have a smoke, and after I'm gonna grab the TA over there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and
I don't even want to know. They're your co-workers, man.
So is
They're your co-workers, man.
Who?
I don't have a grade to give you.
Talking about penis. They're talking about sucking cock.
Who ends up?
Nasty.
That's why he talks
Kinda
about
nasty, man.
It's just like, oh hey, watch me grade check fucking like.
Nine?
big dicks.
Amigos?
Yeah, you gotta stop doing that during a match, man.
Why?
It's cause
Okay, hard crit. Like,
What do you use your soul for?
Cards? That's
what's up?
What do you use your soul for?
Oh, because we have guys here that when
we're in
they hit,
America, bro.
I can soul blast to give it
do.
just a little bit of damage.
See.
Hey, Victor, we're going to McDonald's tomorrow, man.
Those guys are the best.
What?
What is the best grade?
Which McDonald's you talking about?
What, a specific girl that goes in?
I'm gonna put more into that.
Man, you're trying to go.
She gave me the fucking uptown day.
You want to go ahead and
The
give.
CEO loans are awesome.
Like, crucial, though.
What do you mean?
Like
Uptown?
CEO.
She looked you over?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Like, it was just like,
I'll be alive. Not gonna, I'll be at 200.
No, you want her to just like,
I heard on the internet.
yeah, that was a good thing, because you want her to in there because
And then she goes to
because
such
the
a other guy.
other ones after
We're not gonna let that. We're gonna go to Hollywood and stop that movie.
You better.
I can't avoid it. I can't avoid everything,
Watch out
can I?
though, because I mean, yeah, she may be interested, and later on you might find out that she's got crabs.
Go.
So what's up with Ultimate Raiders?
That's what happened like fucking great.
Because they're awesome.
They're just really shiny, I guess.
Yeah. It's like the ultimate rarity.
You can't see the. Is it
There's
really
no
that
rarity that's it's ultimate, food. It's like Super Saiyan 3 and this bro. And that never even happened.
It's like a pretty rare day now.
Oh, this TikTok again.
No, I put the weights on my shit and I like lift like until it's just like sore, you know?
Like all these veins are popping out.
I'm like,
What you guys talking about this later?
dude, I could drag a car with my shit. What are you talking about? Try to run through my shit, you know?
You should have the doctor look at that, 'cause that's not normal.
It's not going right.
What can you do?
Right, but I need a jump.
Don't worry, I'll get you guys across the sun.
What's the Hyperion?
I'm gonna roll.
What are you gonna do?
This is
You're just like waist deep in it, dude. And then you just like, oh man, that's really strong. And then it comes up, you're just like, oh.
Oh, he injured this shit. Like, oh my god.
I lost one, she goes in there, she comes out.
He's doing bicep curls by himself down there.
She goes in.
Bicep curls
He's
one.
going like 3 knots.
first time I've been
That one want to boost.
Exactly. Yeah,
Why are
sure.
you doing this?
Where do we want to boost it?
Because
you
I
don't
can.
have another unit, put someone else to boost, you put it under her.
How the fuck won't I do this shit? And then, boom.
Lagging all those, do they require to be normal or not?
That's why you want to store charge like 5.
Lagging is required to be normal, it's just
Maybe
normal.
there's just so
What is this? I can't destroy by Can't be destroyed by card.
Okay.
Okay, I think, well, you know what? Yeah, I think
You can do it now, but it's not worth
No
it.
guard.
Just to get these two.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to make it back. Hit every game.
I need to hit
Shit.
right now.
I think it's better to do this. You want to hit pretty far. Try to underrate. That's the left.
Take 500.
That's gonna force me to go to that. 'Cause I cannot let that hit. That will beat me.
17.
No.
Diva.
2 pounds.
Nope. And then.
Well, do I get the effect?
That's a really good card.
Okay.
So I'll swing to them. Okay.
Go. Dude, this is fucking bad.
For me?
14. 14? Okay.
So take first.
Alright. How many crits have you used?
2? 3?
Yeah, well, yeah, that's fine.
4.
You have to be.
Wow!
Savage?
You're not.
Crit power.
You have
No
to be a
crit power.
douchebag.
What is 4 crits and I still hit one? Every
So
time I get a
I'd
crit.
rather be that because you don't eat.
I sacked you. I
I'd
sacked
rather be
you.
an asshole and a dick.
I-
Like I said, you are what you eat. So it's like.
No, I'd rather be a douchebag, not an asshole.
So,
You want to eat a douchebag too? You know what a douchebag is,
I
right?
know you were gonna get it.
You gonna eat that too?
So sorry.
Smorgasbord!
Alright, you eat those perfect carbs when you're like 4.
I gotta have that shit fucking.
I just got lucky.
I have to make life difficult.
Yeah, this is really fun ball. I'll tell you, I can't play this game seriously. I just play it for fun. That's why I go for it.
Oh.
He's gonna hit you for 2 damage.
Fuck yeah, man, Wonderboy!
Yeah, I don't know, that's pretty dangerous.
I know, it's dangerous, man.
Critical.
That Wonderboy, I can't trust that fool.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to take him out.
I know, man.
Plus control.
I'll attack Vanguard, dude.
Really?
Or, oh, wait, 'cause
Alright.
is that 48?